Hello kids, good morning to everyone. Chapter 10, What is cooking? First one, fill in the blanks. A question, we boil water to kill dash. Answer is germs. B question, cooking makes food soft, tasty and easy to dash. Answer is digest. C question, a pressure cooker saves the dash of cooking. Answer is time. D question, dash are used for cooking. Answer is utensils. E question, wood and dash produce more smoke while using as a fuel for cooking. Answer is coal. Second one, answer the following. A question, what are utensils made of? Answer is steel, iron, copper, glass, bronze and earthen parts. B question, write some method of cooking. Roasting, boiling, frying, baking and steaming. C question, in olden days, what kind of utensils were used for cooking? Answer is, in olden days, earthen pots, iron, brass and utensils were used. Third one, name these pictures. A. Pan. B. Bowl. C. Cup. D. Cooker. E. Teapot. Fourth one, match the following. A. Electric stove. B. Coal stove. C. Kerosene stove. D. Wood stove. E. Gas stove.